Welcome to another edition of English Makes No Sense. Today we're going to take a look at one saying and one saying only. What? Yeah, but before I get into that detail, I am SL Rockfish. You are on the English Makes No Sense YouTube channel, and we are about to get started. If today is your first day being here, yeah, welcome. If you are a return subscriber, yes, thank you so much. Now, today is a little different. I've done this once before, but I did not ask for any comments or feedback. Let me know what you think. I'm going to look at one saying, one idiom in the English language and do a quick lesson on that. Are you ready? Come on! The saying today, or the idiom, is ahead of the game. Ahead of the game? We're playing a game? No, this has nothing to do with sports, though I do like sports. If someone says, hey, you're ahead of the game, that doesn't mean you're in a game. That means you are in a position to be successful or to be out in front of your competition. So in business, you want to be ahead of the game. Got it? But you aren't in a game for points. You're in the game of life. Oh, now it makes sense. So ahead of the game, here are some synonyms. You remember what synonyms are. Synonyms are words that mean the same thing. So, a synonym for ahead of the game is feasible. I love that word, feasible. Promising, or likely to succeed. That's a long synonym. But yeah, those are related to this. Ahead of the game means in a position to be successful or to be out in front of your competition. Synonyms or other meanings, that words you could use instead of ahead of the game, are feasible, promising, and likely to succeed. Well, why don't we just say that? I don't know. We like to make fun idioms and sayings. So now you know exactly what ahead of the game means, and you can read and understand this sentence. The teacher said I should get ahead of the game and study for the exam. What? Come on, English. Yeah, rewind, watch again, and then you will be ahead of the game. Peace, friends. Let me know what you think about just one topic at a time. Peace.